What do you think about when you think about snack? Oh, how about cookies? If I could eat cookies, I imagine it would feel like a pure comfort and happiness in every bite. The warmth, the sweetness, it would be like a hug for your soul, instantly bringing back memories of cozy moments, laughter, and simple joys. It's a feeling of contentment, like, everything is just right in that moment. That's what made cookies a world top-selling snack, revealed on May 17, 2024 by International Supermarket News magazine.
But the sad part is that they're often high in processed sugar and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to weight gain, heart issues, and diabetes. And that's where Propin comes in. With the help of the Department of Agriculture through their program, the Young Farmers Challenge 2024, ay nabigyan ako ng opportunity na manalo sa provincial and regional level at nakatanggap ng 230,000 pesos grant in total to help me Propin be materialized. Romblon province is known as the marble capital of the Philippines. It is also known for its beautiful islands, pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and preserved natural attractions. Agriculture is a vital part of Romblon's economy, with many residents depending on it for their livelihood. Coconut farming stands out as a major income source, providing products like copra, oil, vinegar, and coconut sugar. Organizations such as Romblon Coconut Farmers Association and Romblon Cacao Agriculture Cooperative also play an important role in supporting the province's agricultural sector and community life. In cacao farming, the discarded cacao bean shell is one of the most overlooked. But what if this forgotten shell held hidden value? Once seen as undervalued, it now takes a special place in Tropin cookies, transforming waste into powerful ingredient. It's not just a cookie. It's a story of innovation, sustainability, and surprising flavor. Hi, I'm David P. Fadrical from the province of Romblon, currently studying as an electrical engineering student at Romblon State University, and also I'm a certified multinational free diving coach and the owner of Jobin Cookies. At dahil nakapag-aral ako ng bread and pastry production sa Citadel Training Center under ng TESDA, ay nagamit ko ang kaalaman at ideas para mabuo ang Tropin. Our product delivers not just quality you can taste, but branding that connects. From design to social media, every detail is crafted to leave a lasting impression. We aim to create something simple, sincere, and worth remembering. We remain committed to learning and building partnerships and collaborations that help make Tropin more sustainable. By leveraging and strategic branding efforts, have helped Tropin successfully sell 3,000 packs of Tropin cookies for the past 2 months. And now, we're aiming to sell 2,500 packs of Tropin cookies each month. If I win the national level competition, it would give me the chance to set up a dedicated facility for Tropin. Kung nagbabala ka na gumawa ng mga facilities na gagamitin like the machine, we can also help in developing o yung pag-develop ng mga machineries just to improve the troping product. In every harvest, there is a waste. But sometimes, that waste holds untold potential.